It is interesting, though, how some plants lightly poison us in ways that can cure us. In the modern medicinal paradigm, this is the case. The idea is to poison the system off balance, and this will have several effects. One of these effects is the so-called treatment that serves to diminish the symptom you are trying to suppress. The remaining poisonous effects are said to be side effects. These must either be tolerated, or you can use further poisons or drugs to counter these. But these drugs also have their side effects, and so on. These poisonous drug substances are also largely discovered from plants. Some plants also have psychedelic effects and can be curative, but they too have side effects. For example, you may come to terms with some of your identity and relationship issues, but as a consequence, you'll maybe detach from culture and these relationships and not experience them as intensely or richly as you did pre-plant-induced healing journey. Maybe we're a bit like kintsugi, the Japanese art of fixing pots by highlighting the cracks. The healing becomes part of the identity of the healed person. It's just the way healing works. You can also have the healing process without plant trigger and naturally and slowly integrate with your trauma. That could take decades, though, and we're only here for a short time. Better to get it healed in one session and move on happy and light. Yeah, you might have to be a bit detached and lose some innocent excitement, but you gain perspective and contentment. So from this, it's clear that we have a dependency on these plants, but that does not mean that they are our food. No other animal has this so-called omnivore diet we eat. Wild omnivores eat roots, wood, and leaves. Humans aren't able to eat that stuff. We can only be omnivores by cooking. Cooking clearly damages food and creates lots of additional poisonous chemicals caused by the reactions from the heat. Sure, early humans may have realized they could stave off starvation by using heat to break down the poisons and extract energy from otherwise indigestible matter, but that doesn't mean it's actually food for us.